When considering a VPS for your website, Kinsta is one of the premium options. But is it the right choice for you? There are a few things you need to know before buying. We'll walk through 12 key points to help you make the decision, comparing Kinsta to other VPS options, so you can know if it's the right fit for your business. The first thing to note about Kinsta is that it's built on Google Cloud, providing strong infrastructure and fast performance. Many competitors offer cheaper VPS options, but the trade-off usually comes in the form of slower speeds or less reliability. Kinsta stands out by providing top-tier speed and security features, but that comes at a premium price. Next thing you'll want to know is Kinsta's managed approach. If you want a VPS that handles most of the technical work for you, Kinsta offers that. Their managed hosting service means they'll handle things like updates, security patches, and backups. With other providers like DigitalOcean or Linode, you might have to take on more responsibility when it comes to server management. The third thing is Kinsta's emphasis on security. They provide free SSL certificates, daily backups, and proactive monitoring. While many other VPS providers offer similar features, Kinsta includes a number of advanced security protocols by default, ensuring your site is protected at all times. The fourth thing is Kinsta's exceptional support. They provide 24/7 expert support, and it's one of their biggest selling points. You'll get access to WordPress experts who can solve complex issues quickly. Compare that to cheaper VPS providers like Vultr, where support can sometimes be limited or more generalized, and Kinsta's hands-on approach really stands out. Next, Kinsta's pricing might be a concern for some. Their starting plans are more expensive than budget alternatives, such as HostWinds or A2 hosting. But remember, you're paying for managed service and premium infrastructure. The higher cost might be worth it if you need a reliable, high-performance VPS without the headaches of managing it yourself. The sixth thing to keep in mind is that Kinsta uses a tiered pricing model based on server resources. Unlike some competitors that provide more flexibility with lower-tier plans, Kinsta's pricing can quickly escalate as you scale up your resource needs. The seventh thing is their focus on speed. Kinsta's servers are optimized for speed with built-in caching and CDN integration. If you're comparing Kinsta to hosts like Bluehost or SiteGround, their speed optimization is hard to beat at this price range. Moving on, the eighth thing is the ease of use. Kinsta offers a sleek, user-friendly dashboard that makes managing your server simple, even for non-technical users. This is a huge plus for those who don't want to spend time learning complex server configurations. Many other VPS providers have control panels that can be more complicated, so Kinsta's simplicity is a huge advantage. The ninth thing to know is that Kinsta's VPS is specifically optimized for WordPress. If you're running a WordPress site, Kinsta is an excellent choice. However, if you're using another platform, you may want to check out other providers like InMotion Hosting or Liquid Web, which support a wider range of applications. The 10th thing is that Kinsta offers auto-scaling, meaning as your website grows, Kinsta automatically adjusts your resources to keep everything running smoothly. This is an important feature for businesses expecting rapid growth, and it's not always available with other VPS options. Next up, Kinsta has limited server locations compared to some competitors. They have servers in Google Cloud data centers around the world, but other VPS providers might offer more geographic flexibility, which can be a deal breaker for businesses that need global coverage. The 12th thing to consider is the lack of a free trial. Unlike some budget VPS providers, Kinsta doesn't offer a free trial, but you can expect top-notch service if you're willing to pay for it. Other VPS hosts might offer introductory offers, but Kinsta's reliability and performance are often worth the extra investment. Kinsta is definitely a solid choice for those looking for managed VPS hosting, especially if performance and support are your top priorities. However, if you want a better value or a solution that you can try for free, check out our recommended alternative solution, which offers great performance and features at a lower price point.